Hey guys, we've been getting a couple calls recently from people that are having a hard time getting their new roof on. A couple things you want to look out for is this roof will sit up a little higher, mainly because these weather strips are brand new. That's the only thing that's holding this up. So you're gonna have to, it might take two people, but you're gonna have to get this roof pushed down and back. You're not gonna break it. And you have to push this down up here to get this bolt started. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. The other thing to look out for, make sure this tail on the weather strip is not folded over. If that's folded over, you're never gonna get this on. That tail needs to be on top of this weather strip. All right, so he's pulling this down and back. The bolt's now started. You can see this is still sticking up quite a bit. Because this right here, a little bit bulkier. If these were smaller and you have your worn weather strips back from the 80s and 90s, you're gonna have leaks. So these are a little bit bigger for a reason. All right, both rears are now tight. Now we're gonna come up front. You're gonna want, if you're not strong enough, you're gonna have someone put all their weight on this thing. Get this pushed down to get this bolt started. You can see we're missing our trim panels. And this side's down. That's all you guys pretty much got to do. Anything else? Got any questions? We'll walk you through it. Just give us a holler. Just understand, when you get this roof, it's not going to drop into place like your old roof. Your old roof has worn-in weather strips. They've seated to the original weather strips that are on your car. So yes, it is going to fall in. What you're doing now is you're introducing a new weather strip that's a little bit larger. It has to seat into the car. Once this thing's on the vehicle for a month or two, it'll start falling into place like your old weather strip. What you don't want is water and wind leaks. Thanks. Give us a call if you got any questions.